25.
And are you ready for it?
Well, I'm shooting. It's called a relaxed trigger release. I have two basically safeties on this tension release. When both safeties are off, air releases. On a couple of occasions, when I have been practicing in the draw process, fingers have in fact slipped off. So that's what happened. All good. There's no one at camp. There was no one downrange. Arrow has been located. Oh dear Lord. Got it out of my system before this evening. So we're gonna try 25 again. I'm gonna keep my fingers on the trigger this time.